gẹ́gẹ́ bí Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé ti ṣàṣeyọrí pẹ̀lú tiẹ̀ ní ọdún tó kọjá a ní ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀ pé tí Wumi Toriola náà òun náà ṣe tiẹ̀ á fakọyọ.
Lateefah dá mi lójú iṣẹ́ ribiribi la ṣe sínú ẹ̀.
It's going to be a very good experience in the cinema.
Lateefah, my sister.
Àti ti dé bá ṣe máa ń dé o. Múvì mi tuntun tí mo ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀ Queen Lateefah a máa ṣàfihàn ẹ̀ láti September 27 ní cinemas. Ẹ ti wò mí dáadáa lórí YouTube. Àsìkò rẹ̀ láti jáde fún mi. Ẹ bá mi lọ sí gbogbo cinema tó wà ní ẹ̀gbẹ́ yín. Ẹ lọ bá mi wo Queen Lateefah. Múvì tẹ́ máa nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí ni. A ṣe Queen Lateefah YouTube àti wá gbé wá sí cinema. Ẹ àti ṣe ó ti gbòòrò gan. Ẹ bá mi fìfẹ́ wò Queen Lateefah in all cinemas from September 27.
Lateefah,
why did you have to humiliate her like that?
is this true?
No.
Allegedly, there's women and there's women. Oh, I have seen this type before. I smell a rat.
Oh, I don't like anybody rubbish my baby.
Lórí òyìnbó mẹ́ẹ̀mí Olúwa ọpẹ́ wa.
You make me laugh. You make me hope. Your face is the first image that hits me every time I wake up.
Queen Lateefah òun la gbé wá fún yín o a dẹ̀ fẹ́ sọ fún yín pé sinimá eléyìí ó yàtọ̀ ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ torí kí ni àwọn olólùfẹ́ yín ló kúnnú ẹ̀ gbogbo nǹkan tó dẹ̀ ń jẹ́ kí sinimá jẹ́ sinimá gidi gbòógì gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá ló wà ní sinimá yìí.
I have seen this type before. I smell a rat.
Oh, I don't like anybody rubbish my baby.
Lórí òyìnbó mẹ́ẹ̀mí Olúwa ọpẹ́ wa.
Good afternoon, everyone. I don't know what to say. I'm excited. I'm shy. I am elated. First of all, this is a very sensitive and a very special moment in my life. And I want to give all glory to the Almighty God. And in the person of the CEO of Cinemax, Mr. Ajayi. It's a thing to share a dream. It's another thing to see someone buying it. And to all the beautiful casts, the team that have worked with me on this project. I don't even know, I'm not even doing vote of thanks. I'm supposed to sell the movie, but already I'm giving a vote of thanks. I don't know. Thank you so much. My director, Captain Dexy, my producer, Judith Audu, my coordinator, May Baker, the whole team of Queen Lateefah, the whole team of Cinemax, most especially Oyeka. Thank you. Thank you for being a sister. I love you. Thank you so much, everyone. To my friends and family that are here. You're about to see entertainment, unlimited, unforced, comedy, intense drama. I have explored YouTube. I'm exploring YouTube. This is my this is my cinema film debut. And you will not be disappointed. You will not be disappointed. You will not be disappointed. Mama, thank you so much for buying into our idea. Thank you. God bless you, everybody. Kunle Remi, KR. Show more come. I love you. TV? No, it's not that kind of love. It's not that kind of. So all the media houses, thank you. Please, she will continue. She will sell the movie. Mama, I love you. Ebina Ibro, thank you so much, ma'am. I appreciate you. God bless you all.
Round of applause. I personally don't buy that shyness, but again, I know how it works. And I'm super glad she mentioned about the movie, because if you can also see from our cast, like it was very intentional. Typically, this is our first debut movie, and then we know that we're cutting across borders and bridges with this movie. You can tell from the cast, which is, first of all, Wumi Toriola, Kunle Remi, please a round of applause for him, he's right here. Femi Adebayo, Elvina Ibro, she's also here. Please, can we give her a round of applause to our big mommy? Madam Shaggi, Lateef, Adedimeji, Broda Shaggi, Eniolua, Pupemi, Fathia Balogun, Officer Woz, and Jumoke Odetola. And we can't Obviously, projects like this did not happen without the director and the producer. Please, a round of applause for Judith Aldo and Captain Dengsi.
How many countries did you get to travel to? Where did you go?
Few cities like Milan, Tokyo.
For real?
I graduated from the Greenwich Marketing Postgraduate Program.
Hello, I'm in Paris, so I didn't still around. It's like if it's
You, why is this story important to tell, and also tell it the way you have told it? Because like Kunle said, there are things like that, but like this is totally different. And also the concept of humor. Lagosians, Nigerians, everybody, in short, the whole world now is dealing with one thing or the other. Humor is very important. Why was this story important for you to tell, and why was it important for you to tell it this way?
Okay, like I said earlier, I said we had the YouTube version of it, but I felt I didn't tell it as much as I would have loved to. And coming to have people who bought into my idea, it was a greater one. I had to tell it because it's a story that cuts across, you know, like Captain Dexter said, from grass to whatever, not even grace now. I mean, whatever reality you want in your mind. And Kunle Remi already said it. So I just needed to expatiate. I needed to go further than the light slides. You know, it just had something big in it. It's not just the common lies you. It's just an imagination versus reality. So I just needed to tell it more.
It was interesting for me to explore because it's not what you see every time, but it's what you see. Because I mean, we live in Lagos where it's fake it till you make it most of the time. Have I encountered any in Lateefah? But yeah, so you go to a club sometimes and you see people that just kind of you can see the effort they make to step up their game, and you have to applaud it or play along with them. Hers is just outrageously ridiculous because, like the director said, her reality is, and her dreams are so high. But then again, if there's anything I picked up from this project, is the realization that there is always a gift.
I'm sure we already have more insight on what the movie is about. And yeah, so we can, please a round of applause for them, please. Yeah, so we can now enjoy the trailer of Queen Lateefah.
So the entire Queen Lateefah brand and audience is a very inclusive one, and it shows a range of experiences or audience from grass to whatever level that you can imagine. And the simple logic of the story is someone who can, rise up to whatever she can imagine in her world or in her dream, regardless of her own reality. And I think that's what every audience can connect to. We all have aspirations, we all have goals, we all have dreams. And to pull this magnitude of story, you need a diverse range of, characters and audience. And that's what Queen Lateefah has, successfully displayed.
It's a round of applause. And then I'll go to...
Nǹkan tí mo lè sọ ni pé iṣẹ́ tá a ṣe sí Queen Lateefah or iṣẹ́ tá a ṣe sí inú fíìmù yìí Ọlọ́run ló fún wa ṣe, and anybody tó bá wò ó mo lè guarantee pé nǹkan ayọ̀ nǹkan àrídùnnú lè máa rí wò nú ẹ̀, as in story ta zombie story tí everybody lè relate pẹ̀lú ni. Gbogbo ala ní nǹkan tá à ń aspire fún, gbogbo ala ní nǹkan tá à ń nàgà tá fẹ́ kọ́ wa kàn, and story Queen Lateefah nìyẹn, and character yẹn ó wà very relatable. Anybody, like I said, anybody tó bá ní goals or aspiration àbí anything tó fẹ́ reach out, tó fẹ́ achieve ní story wà fún. Even pé fíìmù àkọ́kọ́ Wumi Toriola cinema ni kò lè ever mọ̀ pé kò tí ṣe cinema film rí, because straight to the top lélẹ́yìí kò sí pé a manage àbí a patch láti ṣe, as in iṣẹ́ tó pé òun ni a ṣe sínú Queen Lateefah. I mean, ìmọ̀ràn mi fún everybody àdẹ̀ńbẹ̀yìn náà ni pé ẹ lọ wo Queen Lateefah láti September 27 tó bá ti jáde sí cinema gbogbo cinema lè máa ti rí wò ẹ dẹ̀ máa gbádùn ẹ̀. Kilarigbo la wà aṣọ ti yẹn Kilarigbo TV.
Lateefah, my sister.
How many countries did you get to travel to? Where did you go?
Few cities like Milan, Tokyo.
For real?
I graduated from the Greenwich Marketing Postgraduate Program.
Hello, I'm in Paris, so I didn't still around. It's like if it's
You live in Bodilon Towers, right?
Yes. Lagos is an opportunity disguised as geography. Welcome to the Center of Excellence, the Nigerian capital of dreams come true.
Queen Lateefah.
Lati.
No, it's just laugh. We just can't be a siwaja.
Deal. If you want to drive Rolls Royce 2024, just knock on the door of Engineer Rishi.
Minute to 12. 1 minute after 12, buy you pay another 300,000.
Lateefah,
Why did you have to humiliate her like that?
is this true?
No.
Allegedly, there's women and there's women. Oh, I have seen this type before. I smell a rat.
Oh, I don't like anybody rubbish my baby.
Lórí òyìnbó mẹ́ẹ̀mí Olúwa ọpẹ́ wa. Mo máa lọ́ọ̀dẹ pa. Èsì ẹni tó mu gàrí mo máa lọ́ọ̀dẹ pa.
You make me laugh. You make me hope. Your face is the first image that hits me every time I wake up.
Thank you very much for hosting us. They didn't charge me for this, so thank you. So please say thank you to them so that maybe they'll give us discounts for the premiere because the premiere is happening here as well. You know? So, but thank you everyone. Thanks for coming. Thanks to the cinemas. I can see literally all the cinemas are represented here. You know, and I mean we're excited about this project. I actually think that this is potentially the film of the year. This is not. I did it. I'm not capping. Don't cap. This, I think, is the film of the year potentially. I have another film, but this one is for today. Before they accuse me of favoritism. But on a serious note, we thoroughly enjoyed the entire process. Wumi was amazing. She came with the story, the idea, and we just saw an opportunity to bring something special to life. I think that these are the kind of stories that this is the kind of stories that we all want to see in cinema. It's going to be engaging, it's a movement. So September 27 is the date. So everyone, please tell your friends, tell your family. Cinemas, we want 10 shows per day, every day for the first 4 weeks. That's what we want. And yeah, we think that we're really proud of it. It's not one of those films that I'm struggling to sell, because I'm really, really proud of this film. And I think you will as well when you see it. So thank you very much, everyone, and have a beautiful afternoon.
So my rate 11/10 my rate. Ó dùn fire. So my rate àwọn ọdẹ máa kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lórí ẹ̀. Wọ́n máa enjoy it. So, and it's also a family film. Anybody ló lè wò. Kò sí bóyá film tí gbogbo family máa lè wò ni. So it's going to be a very good experience in the cinema. Even though first film Wumi ni, nǹkan tẹ́mi like nípa Wumi ni pé team player ni. So gbogbo àwọn àtàṣe film yẹn kì í ṣe àwọn àtàyàn tó lè experience ni. So let's just say we leverage on everybody's strengths láti gbé film yìí to life. So it's a really good film. Okwe Ajayi, CEO of Cinemax, executive producer, Queen Lateefah.
Beautiful movie. I can't wait for the world to see the movie. And my character in the movie is hilarious. This Igbo lady that assists Queen Lateefah in her fake life, letting us No spoiler alert here. I can't wait for you guys the world to see the movie. It's an amazing movie, beautiful movie.
What's the name of your character and what experience did you take from this set?
The set, I was able to take away the fact that they have this teamwork, positive energy, both from Wumi, director, co-actors, and everybody. Yes, it was. They did amazing. Teamwork, positivity, great aura. I was happy to be part of them.
All right, so before I let you go, we've seen a lot of cinema movies that made it big, like Funke Akindele's that got up to 1 billion naira. Do you think Queen Lateefah is going to exceed that?
Yes, I'm positive. This is a great movie, honestly. I'm not saying this because I'm part of the movie. Even if I wasn't there, I'll still see the movie. It's an amazing movie. I just saw the trailer now. Beautiful, excellent, amazing. Yes, it will more than 1 billion. That's we hope for to get higher.
Fẹ́wánilé àwa pẹ̀lú ọmọ tó ń sọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ẹni tá a torí ẹ̀ wà níbí lẹ́ni Wumi Toriola gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe mọ̀ pé agbede ìfilọ́lẹ̀ sinimá wọn Queen Lateefah òun náà ni àwa fún. Ǹjẹ́ sinimá yìí ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé ó jọmọ́ ìtàn èèyàn kan àbí ó jẹ́ nǹkan tí ẹ kọ rò tí ẹ gbé kalẹ̀?
Ẹ kò ń ṣe ìtàn èèyàn kan tí mo lè sọ pàtó. Ó jẹ́ nǹkan tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ káàkiri tí mo mú lóríṣiríṣi àti nǹkan tí mo ìrírí àwọn nǹkan tèmi gan fúnra mi ti rí.
Kódà a rí pé àwọn obìnrin bíi ti àwọn náà ti ṣerú nǹkan báyìí tí wọ́n gbé eré lọ sí sinimá tí wọ́n dẹ̀ yege nídìí ẹ̀ irú bí àwọn Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ tí wọ́n ti tà tó bí 1 billion naira. Ǹjẹ́ ẹ lérò pé Queen Lateefah òun náà máa débẹ̀ á jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ?
Alágbára Ọlọ́run kò sí nǹkan tí ò ní bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ti ta iṣẹ́ tó lọ sókè nsìn àwọn náà ní ìgbà tí wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí wọ́n dẹ̀ mú lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ so èmi máa ń sọ nǹkan kan consistency is key but tíṣẹ́ ẹni bá dá ni lójú èèyàn máa ń fògùn ẹ̀gbà rẹ̀ Lateefah dá mi lójú iṣẹ́ ribiribi la ṣe sínú ẹ̀.
Ó dá yín lójú gan-an ni kí nìkan tí àwọn olólùfẹ́ yín kan máa retí gan-an nínú Queen Lateefah ìtorí pé awuyewuye yẹn ti pọ̀ ní ìgboro àti ẹ̀ mọ̀ nǹkan tá à ń retí gan-an.
Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Wumi Toriola ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tí ẹ máa ń retí drama ẹ máa ń retí àrídùnnú yín Wumi Toriola ló tún ṣe lé Queen Lateefah gbogbo nǹkan tí ẹ máa ń retí látọ̀dọ̀ Wumi Lateefah ló kó sára Queen Lateefah àti yìí tí ẹ retí gan ẹ máa rí lọ́dọ̀ Queen Lateefah ẹ jáde o September 27 ní ọjọ́ náà ní cinemas nationwide.
Ẹ ṣeun gan ẹ̀yin tí wá ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́tí gbọ́ yẹn ẹ tún yáyá kẹ tún yàyà jáde nígbà tí sinimá Queen Lateefah bá jáde kẹ́ lọ.
How many countries did you get to travel to? Where did you go?
Few cities like Milan, Tokyo.
For real?
I graduated from the Greenwich Marketing Postgraduate Program.
Hello, I'm in Paris, so I didn't steal around. It's like if it's
You live in Bodilon Towers, right?
Yes. Lagos is an opportunity disguised as geography. Welcome to the center of excellence, the Nigerian capital of dreams come true.
Queen Lateefah.
Lati. No, it's just laugh. Just come here, see what
Deal. If you want to drive Rolls Royce 2024, just knock on the door of engineer Rishi.
Okay, to all the Queen Lateefahs out there, please come and watch this film because if you are going to do 419, learn how to do it well. Google is your friend, according to Queen Lateefah. No, I'm actually only joking. Please come and watch the movie. There are a lot of lessons to be learned. It's a funny movie, but there are a lot of strong messages under the comedy. So come and watch it. You will love it, I promise you.
Lateefah, why did you have to humiliate her like that?
Is this true?
Movie ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Ẹ ní láti wá wò nígbà tó bá jáde. Kò ṣe pé màá kàn hype anything náà kàn hype o. Movie yìí ó dùn gbàgbó ṣe mọ́ yín Wumi Toriola ó ṣe máa fún yín gbàgbó nínú movie bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe máa fún yín gbàgbó nínú movie ele but it's in a subtle way like kò ṣe gbàgbó nínú àwọn ìjà kò já ń bíbí o but ṣe rí àfihàn tá a wò lónìí ó jẹ́ kí ó ń fún mi ní ìyára ara mi ń yá láti wo movie yẹn gangan mi mo look forward sí àti wo the full movie. Orúkọ mi ni ọmọ ọba Fathia Williams Balogun.
Nǹkan ìwúrí ni pé téèyàn bá rí àwọn téèyàn ń bá ṣe ní entertainment industry tó jẹ́ ń dàgbàsókè sí tó ń grow tó ń ṣoríire, nǹkan ìwúrí ló jẹ́ fún wa. Gbogbo alamọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ pé Wumi Toriola kò ń mu ní kékeré, ńláńlá ló ti máa ń mu. Ó jẹ́ máa ń wà successful, máa ṣàṣeyọrí pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ni. So eléyìí tá wò ń sìn tá à ń ṣe ìpalẹ̀mọ́ global release Queen Lateefah, ó jẹ́ nǹkan ìfọkànbalẹ̀ fún wa pé lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí Wumi Toriola tuntun jẹ́wọ́ ara ẹ̀ fún wa pé òun ń ṣẹran rírọ̀ nínú Nollywood industry mọ́.
Ṣé lérò pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ti ṣe wẹ̀ ẹ́ lérò pé àwọn èèyàn pàápàá jùlọ àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà àtàwọn tó wà lókè òkun wọ́n máa tẹ́wọ́ gba sinimá yìí torí a ti rí àwọn bíi Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé tó ti ṣe sinimá tí wọ́n pa tó bíi $1 billion lórí ẹ̀. Báwo ni ọkàn yín ṣe balẹ̀ tó ń pé sinimá yìí máa jẹ́ ìtẹ́wọ́gbà fáwọn èèyàn níta?
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí executive producer ṣe sọ nínú lílẹ̀ nǹkan pé òun ti rí àrídájú pé Queen Lateefah máa jẹ́ the biggest film of the year, so kò ń ṣe òun nìkan lórí bẹ́ẹ̀, àwa náà tá a rí a ti rí àrídájú, ó ti hàn sí wa ní gbangba pẹ̀lú jùlọ pé gẹ́gẹ́ bí Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé ti ṣàṣeyọrí pẹ̀lú tiẹ̀ ní ọdún tó kọjá, a ní ìfọkànbalẹ̀ pé tí Wumi Toriola náà òun náà ṣe tiẹ̀ á fakọyọ, á rí ṣe ń bẹ̀.
Lateefah, my sister.
How many countries did you get to travel to? Where did you go?
Few cities like Milan, Tokyo.
For real?
I graduated from the Greenwich Marketing Postgraduate Program.
Hello, I'm in Paris, so I didn't still around. It's like if it's
You live in Bodilon Towers, right?
Yes. Lagos is an opportunity disguised as geography.
Welcome to the Center of Excellence, the Nigerian capital of dreams come true.
Queen Lateefah.
Lati.
No, he just laughed.
Deal. If you want to drive Rolls Royce 2024, just knock on the door of engineer Rishi.
Minute to 12. 1 minute after 12, buy you pay another 300,000.
Lateefah,
Why did you have to humiliate her like that?
is this true?
No.
Alajide, there's women and there's women. Oh, I have seen this type before. I smell a rat.
Oh, I don't like anybody rubbish my baby.
Lórí òyìnbó mẹ́ẹ̀mí, Olúwa, ọpẹ́ wa.
You make me laugh. You make me hope. Your face is the first image that hits me every time I wake up.
Kilarigbo TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.